Hello all, in this video you will learn how to use TinkerCad in MacBook. First of all you have to search TinkerCad in Google Chrome. Then you have to create your own account. If you have your account then you can sign in. Click on sign in option and then add your email address. So I don't have a TinkerCad account, so I'm creating one. You fill your details in like country name, your Gmail account and password. So your account is created. Now select on circuits. So first you will create your own project, then you have to click on circuits. Now this dashboard is open, so this is ready to use. So in top of the left side you will see the options like selecting color, and this is wire color. This is wire type, you can search here. In the top of the right side you will see component library. There is search button option also. Here you can search Arduino or any component directly here, and you can drag and drop. So your dashboard is ready to use. So make your projects now.